Hi all, Bill Greenberg with PhoneScholar.com. Today is Thursday, August 26th, 2010, and here's a summary of what we got on the website today, and it happens to be Apple Day. Not that I worked it out that way, but most of the stories are about Apple products, so here we go. Netflix apps stream support for iPhone, and I put a video on there from the Worldwide Developers Conference where Netflix first announced they were going to hook up with iPhone in June, but it does show a video of exactly how it works. And basically the app is free, but if you do want to get a subscription so you can view the content, it starts at $8.99 a month. So it works both on the Wi-Fi and 3G network, so it looks pretty cool. Check it out. Next, 4 ways to score free iPhone apps. And I thought this was a pretty interesting article for those of you who love downloading apps and are spending millions of dollars on doing that, which, not millions, but it can start to get expensive. Number 1 is free app a day. All these have the links on there so you can click directly to the websites. Free app a day, and this one offers basically a free app a day. Now it only offers that free app for that day, but you can set up email alerts by category, filtered by category, to go to you to let you know when an app comes up that you might be interested in. 2 is free app alert, and this is a little bit different. What this does is gives a daily roundup of new apps, but it also offers apps that used to cost that are now free. So again, that looks pretty cool. Next is 148 apps feed, and this is actually a Twitter feed that tweets the same kind of things that Free App Alert does, but it goes to the tweets. So if you follow it, then you'll get the tweets and you can get those. And next is Bargain Bin and Pandora's Box, and these are apps that show new free apps or price drops on apps that are currently costing. So that's pretty cool too. So go ahead and check those out, and I'm sure you can set up alerts for all these, and I did set up links for all of these. Next, Privacy Group charges Apple plans to patent trade-aware and spy on users. And it's a fairly intricate article, so I'm not going to go deeply into it, but I do want to read the first thing and this is quoted from a well-known privacy group about the Apple patent application that's in there. Does nothing short of providing a roadmap for how Apple can and presumably will spy on its customers and control the way that customers use Apple products. So it check out the blogs and everything that it says, and it actually has excerpts of the patent application. Part of the patent application supposedly in there says that it has a microphone built in so that it can record people. It has a heartbeat monitor so it can record if somebody's there, stuff like that. So if this is all true, it sounds pretty scary. I don't think Apple would actually use this to spy on people and stuff. I don't know. But the fact is that it's out there, and if they want to go do that, I mean, their whole concept is that if a phone's stolen, they want to get rid of the jailbreak and stuff like that. But if those applications are out there, could somebody take it and bastardize it? It's definitely possible. So check out the whole thing, read it. It's pretty interesting. Next, Sony Ericsson Vivez, I hope I'm saying that right, coming September 5th to AT&T. And Sony Ericsson, this is the second AT&T smartphone after the Xperia 10 that was released last month. To AT&T. It's one of the first ones using Symbian operating system, which is the largest operating system in Europe, but where very, very few phones over here, if any, are using it. But the whole thing with this phone is the camera. It takes high-definition video and high-resolution pictures with an 8-megapixel camera, and supposedly they are outstanding. It's going to be offering Galaxy Blue, or for a limited time on the website, a Venus Ruby, and it's going to be $80 after rebate, plus you also have to get a data plan for that. So hopefully I'll have a video review of it when it gets close to that from either Engadget or PhoneDog, and put that on here for you. Next, under categories, Apple and iPhone, the ClickFree Transformer, turning your iPod Touch or iPhone into a backup device. And this is really cool. It scans the hard disk once you plug it in, sets up the software and everything for files, and it's just like a dongle or anything like that. It basically backs it. You can put all your information on there, and if you have an iPhone that has 32 gig, obviously you can hold quite a bit of information, and now you have a backup device that once it's all set up, all you have to do is plug it back in. It's one of the most simplest things they said could use. Check out the link for that. Next, People Magazine for iPad available, free for print subscribers. So it's a free app, People Magazine, that you can put on your iPad. If you are not a print subscriber, it's $3.99 per issue. If you are a print subscriber, the issues are free, and the advantages are that it does TV and movie previews, updates. It has more videos, it has more photos than what's in the actual magazine, and it has the latest updated news for the stars and celebrities if you're into that. So if you're a People person with an iPad, People Magazine person with an iPad, this is a great thing for you. And lastly, Apple and iPhone categories. Facebook Places location check-in with Foursquare, Yelp, and Gowalla support arrives on iPhone. And basically, if you do the Facebook 3.2 update on the iPhone, and there is a link on the article for that, it automatically downloads the Facebook Places. And for those of you who are using the Facebook Places or have been using Foursquare, Yelp, and Gowalla, I'm sure you're very, very familiar with this. And it looks like it's going to be a tremendous thing, and it looks like the Facebook Places may take over everything. Of course, with Facebook being so large, they have the ability to do that. That's all I got for today. I hope you have a great day, and I shall talk to you tomorrow. And please, please go to www.phonescholar.com to read the full articles. And some of these articles are pretty good and pretty extensive, so I would definitely recommend that. And any questions, contact me at blogquestions@phonescholar.com. Thanks again. I'll talk to you tomorrow.